Binance or OKX. If you're serious about crypto trading, you've probably heard both names. They're two of the biggest exchanges in the world, but they're actually built for different types of traders. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. If this helps, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. Quick breakdown. Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange by volume, over 150 million users, and handles more than $76 billion in daily trading. They've got the deepest liquidity, the most trading pairs, and basically every crypto feature you can think of. It's the giant of the industry. OKX is the fourth largest exchange globally with about 50 million users and $10.15 billion in daily volume. They're known for advanced trading tools, derivatives, and a super powerful Web3 wallet. OKX is where experienced traders go for leverage and sophisticated features. Let's get into what matters. Trading fees. Binance standard fees are 0.1% maker and taker, dropping to 0.02% if you use BNB for fees or trade high volumes. OKX is slightly better, 0.08% maker, 0.1% taker, and goes down to 0% maker fees for VIP traders. If you're trading millions, OKX rewards you more. For average traders, they're basically the same. Coin selection and liquidity. Binance supports over 600 cryptocurrencies with the deepest liquidity in the market. If you want to buy or sell anything instantly without slippage, Binance wins. OKX has around 350 plus coins, still massive, but less variety. The difference? Binance lists almost everything. OKX is more selective. For liquidity and instant fills, Binance dominates. Derivatives and leverage. This is where OKX shines. They offer up to 125x leverage on futures with incredibly advanced trading tools, options, perpetual swaps, and sophisticated order types. Binance also does 125x leverage, but OKX's derivatives platform is cleaner and more feature-rich. If you're a futures trader or into options, OKX feels more professional. Staking and earn products. Binance has more earning options: simple earn, locked staking, launch pool, and auto invest. You can earn 2 to 10% APY on dozens of coins easily. OKX has staking too, but fewer options and generally lower yields. Binance makes passive income easier and more accessible. Web3 wallet and DeFi. OKX's Web3 wallet is next level. It's non-custodial, supports 80 plus blockchains, and connects seamlessly to DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, and dApps. It's built into the exchange. Binance has Trust Wallet, which is solid, but it's a separate app and less integrated. If you're into DeFi and on-chain activity, OKX is way ahead. Regulation and availability. Here's the big one. Binance is banned in the US and faces heavy regulatory scrutiny globally. They've paid billions in fines. They're working on compliance, but it's messy. OKX also doesn't serve US customers directly, but they're more cooperative with regulators and haven't faced the same level of legal issues. If you care about regulatory safety, OKX is slightly cleaner. Platform experience. Binance's interface can be overwhelming. There's so much going on. Spot, futures, earn, NFTs, P2P, Launchpad. It's powerful but cluttered. OKX's interface is cleaner and more modern, especially for advanced traders. The learning curve is steep on both, but OKX feels more organized once you get the hang of it. Customer support. Both have issues. Binance support is slow ticket based and people complain about resolution times. OKX has 24/7 live chat and is generally faster, but quality varies. Neither is great, but OKX edges ahead on response time. Bottom line, if you want the most coins, deepest liquidity, and easiest staking options, Binance is better. It's the market leader for a reason. Perfect for spot traders and people who want everything in one place. But if you're into derivatives, DeFi, Web3, and want advanced trading tools with a cleaner interface, OKX is the move. It's more focused, more professional, and slightly less risky from a regulatory standpoint. Most casual traders pick Binance. Most serious derivatives traders and DeFi users prefer OKX. That's the real difference. If this helped you decide, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto breakdowns. Links to both exchanges are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.